As a change agent in economic and social justice for over 45 years, I knew stories of resilience, well-being, and prosperity were taking root on reservations and in cities all across this land.
In addition, I already knew that the economic models we were looking at carried their own values and that our values were different and that culture was our strength, not our weakness. It's not that Indian people can't do business, it's they don't value profit over community. They don't value profit over life.
It was always about the greater good. It was always about what's best for the whole nation, what's best for the earth, and not what's best for the individual.
African American mutual aid started pretty much on the boats when we were dragged here forcibly in chains. We were helping each other. We had this sense, I think probably from the way that African cultures had also had a sense of mutuality and communalism.
So we have, on our 34 acres, we have a regenerative community development. It's one of our 8 initiatives.
The Woolakota Regenerative Buffalo Range will be the largest Native American owned and managed buffalo herd in the world.
Until the Lakota Federal Credit Union was chartered, there was not a single bank, federally insured financial institution depository on the Pine Ridge Reservation.
To our knowledge, are the largest seed-funded Native Children's Savings Account program for Native youth in the country.
The model is such that no less than 80% of the ownership or the equity of any of those businesses is held by the employee owners.
It is actually working on is learning how to produce housing, different types of 3D print housing.
The land trust model is a way for people to not only own housing that's affordable, but then to kind of pass that on to the next buyer who needs affordable housing.
A $25,000 direct benefit for housing equity that will build wealth immediately through equity.
But the difference between a public bank and a private bank is with a public bank, the interest and profit belongs to the community.
This is about systemic change. This isn't about putting a Band-Aid here. Please join our award-winning team in bringing these compelling stories of powerful change to public audiences, to universities, and communities. To learn more and make a donation, visit this website.